Alright guys, I am at the Subaru service once again to have my rear camera recall done and to have a look at my wheel bearings in the back. I think one might be damaged, and I'll give you a little sample of what that sounds like on the highway. So you can hear that buzzing drone happens as soon as I get above 60 miles an hour. And it's most likely a wheel bearing. And I think it's coming from the back of the car. And you can hear it change its pitch when my speed increases. But it's there. So I'm going to the dealer to see what they have to say about this. The car has 16,654 miles on it. Yeah guys, there's my wheel bearing. And that's what it looks like when they take it off. Okay guys, while I'm waiting for the wheel bearing to be replaced, I wanted to show you today's inventory of WRXs, and they only had 5 of them today. This is the lowest amount of WRXs I've seen on this lot in the past few months. I dare say the WRX has grown on me a little bit. This style is now starting to grow on me. I like it in this color because all the black plastic blends in and it looks more stealth. 35,682. My biggest problem with the new WRX has to be the size of that rear bumper. After the wheel bearing replacement was finished, the mechanic and I took it for a test drive to make sure the noise was gone. Everything sounded perfectly normal again, and I'll now show you what the car sounds like at highway speeds. Okay guys, I'm back on the road doing highway speeds after the repair. Got the new wheel bearing put in, and the noise is gone. Is gone. So the whole thing was replaced under warranty. They put it under the powertrain warranty, so I didn't have to pay anything. So really happy with Subaru. Really loving my 2019 STI. All is well. And all I hear is the typical road noise. All good. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.